Hey there, I'm Laura Boswell, realtor and local home expert here in North Atlanta, but today I'm just at home with my husband tackling a common issue that might be happening at your house too. If your door scrubs on this side at the top or down at the bottom here on the latch side, you may think that the problem is here, so sometimes your problem could be over here on the hinge side. And it could be because some of these screws are stripped, or as you're seeing here, not even really attached at all, and you can pull it straight out of the wall. And we're going to show you a quick solution today using a zip tie. What we're going to do is put our zip tie in to see how deep the hole is, and then we are going to fold that zip tie in half to match that depth. And then we are going to take that zip tie and put it in the hole. And here goes our replacement screw going in. We're just using the same one. That's way longer than it needs to be, but we're using what we've got. And then now it's in there flush, and we're just going to trim off those little pieces of zip tie. This is a down and dirty hack using what most people already might have on hand. And if you don't have zip ties, you can also use toothpicks, but you will need wood glue and to let it set for 24 hours. If you're aiming for a true carpentry level repair, it does take a bit more skill, time, and tools. You'll need to glue a little wooden dowel in the stripped hole, let it dry for at least 24 hours, then come back with a drill to create a pilot hole for your screw, and then finally reset your screw into that newly reinforced hinge and putting it all back together. If you need more tips like this, just reach out. Me or my husband will be here to give you a hand.